All right now, people, good morning. It's a beautiful day out here. I got an early start. I wanted to come out here and cut up some of these locust logs. Now, I thought there was more locust than that, but there's one really nice one right here. And there used to be more in the dumpster, which is right over here as well. There was some in there, but it's too big. It's going on that size. So we got some hackberry and some locust, and I don't really mind the hackberry because that stuff dries pretty quickly now. So it's getting to be June, but that stuff will dry in 3 months. You get it split up and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and split that up. You can see I brought my splitter here today, and I'm gonna just be splitting right into the back of my truck there, and I'm gonna just cut up a little load this morning and get that in there right now. Looks like they dumped that on that big beech stump. Man, that was a nice beech tree. Look at this wood up here. Holy mackerel, look at the size of that thing. That looks like oak right here. Yeah, that looks like oak. It's got canker on it, but that's a nice big oak log right there. Oh, there's that beech stump. There's another one in here. That must be that oak stump. That's a big old oak tree that's got oak. It's got a canker on it, but I mean, look at that oak log. Holy mackerel. That'd be a heck of a saw log there. So I got a little variety out here today. I'm just gonna probably work on this stuff all down through here. Now, I did notice that there is some walnut down the way too, but it is buried under a bunch of maple, and I couldn't really see. I was driving by. I know there's some maple on it, but there is some walnut there too on the bottom. It's just going to be a little bit hard to get to. So anyways, I'm going to work on this locust and this hackberry. Let me get my saw and everything set up and fired up, get you guys on a tripod, and we'll get to bucking this stuff up. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. You maybe even want to hit the bell, because a lot of these subscribers that I have, I'm glad to have you, but 90% of the people aren't even subscribed. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch the videos. Here we go, let me get set up. Alright, well, I just pulled an amateur hour with my saw there, and I got it in the mud, and I juiced it pretty good with the trigger. I mean, so it's just dull as a piece of crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and start splitting this stuff up. You guys are going to see that tomorrow, probably the next video, whatever, a couple days. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and make it into 2 videos. I got the splitter here behind me. I'm gonna get that fired up now. That locust log goes all down through there. It's longer than you think. It goes all under there, another 15 feet or so, but it's back under that. So it's kind of dangerous to be working much further anyways. This log here is gonna roll, all that's gonna fall. So I don't want to do anything dangerous, but my saw is not, I mean, it's like 1,000 grit sandpaper trying to cut wood right now. So let me get going splitting this wood, and we'll see y'all tomorrow on the splitting video. Get this locust split up. I'm out here in the woods, and there's this man-made structure. I don't know what that is. It's actually kind of mushy. It's hard but mushy.